Hello everyone, welcome back to Guru Design Lab. In today's tutorial, we are going to solve solid exercise 11. We will convert this 2D engineering drawing into a complete 3D model, step by step using correct dimension and professional modeling techniques. If you are preparing for interviews, CAD test, or simply improving your SolidWorks skill, this exercise is perfect for you. Let's get started. Understand understand the drawing. Before creating the model, let's carefully study the drawing. The overall height is 80 mm. You can see here. Three circular bosses, first one, second, and third. Create the base sketch. Go to SolidWorks, create new part, and select OK. Take any plane, front plane sketch, and create some center line for reference. Select these lines for construction. Set it to for construction. And make another center line at this point. Select OK. A smart dimension. The distance between these two lines from origin is 70 mm, and this line from origin is 90 mm. Make two circles at here. First one, second one. At here, make two circles. And create a slot at this line. So first we go to dimension tab and make the dimensions. The bigger one dimension is 30 mm. The smaller one is 20 mm. And the slot dimension is 20 mm. You can see in exercise. And the radius is slot radius is 7.5 mm. Make two circles at here. The dimension is radius is 30 mm. So its die is 30 mm. The distance from this origin is 40 mm. And the slot distance from at this point Sorry, it is not that point. This point to this point is 30 mm. Create some lines to match these profiles. Line, go to trim edge and trim the extra part. Go to line tab and create a sketch on this line, this point to this point. Make it vertical. Go to trim entities and trim this entity. And go to features tab, select extrude boss base, extrude it up to 20 mm. Select this face, a sketch, and create some create circles at this point and this point of 10 mm. There. Go to extrude boss base and select, click here and sketch and hide, and so you can see. Go to sketch, so, and make two circles, three circles. First one, second, and third one. Okay. Make the dimension of three circles at 10 mm only. Select these corners, this corner, and this corner. Convert entities. Go to features tab, extrude boss base. Go to reverse direction. Extrude it up to 10 mm. 8. Okay. You can see the exercise is completed. Congratulations. We have successfully completed SolidWorks exercise 11 from a today engineering drawing. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video comment your doubts, subscribe to Guru Design Lab, and share this video with your friends who are learning SolidWorks. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next SolidWorks exercises. Happy designing!